Zip code, you know it's your girl Raven. I am back. Hi Liquid, what's going on?
You forward back with big things and big star and all these things.
You know how we do it right here on
I
the
know
Z.
you do. I know you do.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Ziptocrats, we have a lot in store for you today. And of course, something very, very, very special and someone very, very special, of course. Tomorrow, guys, is the highly anticipated Outburst comedy series happening at the National Arena. And of course, gates open at 6 p.m., showtime 8 p.m. Now, of course, the show features Rita B, Chris Johnny Daly, Major Hype, and of course, Cedric The Entertainer. But guess what, guys? He's right here with us now, live in studio. Yeah. Hi, Cedric. Welcome.
Right next to you.
Of course. I love that.
What's up, Ray? What's going on?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Liquid over here. Let's go.
Big up.
What's happening, man? Backward, forward, he said.
Yeah,
I like that.
Yes. All right, Cedric. So, Jamaica.
Yeah,
How has
man.
it been so far?
Oh, it's been great. I love coming here. I've been down on the island probably 6, 7 times in my life, but it's been a long time since the last time I was here. Maybe it's been like 2006, maybe something like that. So and like 20, it was like 18 years since I've been to Kingston. So
wow.
So yeah, you weren't even you were
No,
I was so young.
Oh, thank God.
You were such a
baby.
You were such a little baby.
No, I wish.
Yeah,
So
I know.
where do you usually stay when you come on the North Coast or South?
Yeah, I don't know the coast now.
Okay.
Like Montego
Montego
Bay.
Bay. Okay,
yeah,
on the-
Montego
okay,
Bay.
on the
That's
south.
where
Okay.
that's where they take you. But I've been all around like Negril and then Ochos. I've been out like all the different spots. Pull up.
So what is your favorite thing to do though when you're in Jamaica?
Well, I mean, normally it's like, out golfing, so I'm out like, like out golfing, on the resorts, just kind of hanging and chilling, But, like here, we just been riding, going around eating, like.
I was about to ask you about the food.
Yeah, so.
What's your favorite food? Tell me the jerk chicken?
Yeah, so I had to, jerk chicken, the jerk pork I had, which was my first time. Actually, I wasn't even up on game, so that was pretty good.
Okay.
And I'm a vegan, so I don't even do pork.
Oh, gosh.
So, yeah.
That's a big switch, that.
Yeah. So no.
You didn't even try it. Like how you tried it?
Well, no.
Steam fish.
I'm lying.
Try the steam fish.
I'm lying. Y'all can tell I ain't no vegan.
All right, so
I grabbed a pig on the way in.
not the pig.
No. Go ahead. No.
All right, Cedric. So, you're in Jamaica right now for the Outburst comedy series. Have you worked with any Jamaican comedians before?
I mean, Major Hype, I've worked with him in New York, and I know that he's, from the States, but also Jamaican. And so, but we worked in New York together a couple years back. And so this will be my first time. And, I did like when I did a show in the grill a few back. I don't know. I feel like Chris Johnny Daly may have been on that show, but, and again, it go back so far. So I look forward to it. It's going to be great, and the audience, and the energy, and the music is going to be high. We going in.
So what can we expect tomorrow, though? You're going to be there. We have a full lineup.
Full lineup. The house going to be lit. We at the National Arena. So, this is like, we outside.
Yes, we outside.
But we inside. I mean, we talking about the COVID version. We outside. People be like, it's going to be too hot for me. I ain't going outside like that. No, we going to be inside. People stop playing.
Okay.
So... No, but it's gonna be a good time, So it's really about that spirit of just coming out. Some people grew up on me. Some people don't know exactly. I'm being introduced. But, we coming to bring high level, big energy comedy to you. If you never seen me, this is what you get. Real kings of comedy type stuff. You're going to get your laugh on. It's going to be a fun night. That's what I do.
Awesome.
That's all I can say.
Well, right now, Ziptocrats, we have a giveaway for you, of course, courtesy of Cedric.
Yes.
2 VIP tickets. Yeah. So right now...
These are my personal tickets, too.
Oh.
Yeah, I
very
decided...
special, extra special.
Yeah, so these are my personal personal VIP tickets that I say, you know what I'm gonna do when I come up here? I'm gonna give some people 2 tickets.
I love that. That's so
All right,
nice of
thank
you. All right, guys. So right now we want you to name 2 acts performing at the event. So of course, you send your answers to the WhatsApp line at 574-5591. That's 574-5591. Guys, come on. 2 VIP tickets. You heard Cedric.
That's it. Go
Very
fast.
special, close to his heart. Okay?
Yes.
All right, Cedric, let's get back into it.
Yeah.
You are a great comedian, I might add.
Thank you.
How did you even get your start?
I started, I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. So, I started, I actually graduated, went to college. I was working at a State Farm Insurance. I was doing car claims adjusting. And I started doing comedy at night. And so it just really was one of these things, like most people, somebody encouraged me to go on stage. The first time I ever did it, I won $500. And so I just fell in love with it from there, but kept going. But I always when I was in like high school and stuff, I would perform. I would be like in singing groups or in plays. I didn't know I could do stand up, but I was always a person that wanted to entertain people. So that's kind of where the name came from. So you can
sing? You want to sing us a little something?
I would be singing stuff, Like that was like even one of my first jokes I used to do. Luther Vandross doing the alphabets. That was like one of my first jokes. Like so. my throat be hurting. So
okay, I won't pressure you.
A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U VWXY.
Oh, okay. I love that. All right, so can I ask you though?
Yeah.
Your topics, where do you get it from? Is it personal experiences, what you see around you?
Yeah, I'm pretty observational as a comedian, so it's really like kind of like seeing things, looking at life, what's happening, like what's popping off in the media, what's going on with my life, kids growing up, what's going on in the world. So yeah, I'm observational like that. So that's kind of stuff I'd like to talk about.
Okay.
Yeah. Man.
All right. So let me bring it back a little bit. I'm gonna let you know that I'm not as young as you think. The Steve Harvey show.
Yes.
I think I watched every episode like probably 10 times over. So how was that for you though, working on that show?
Oh man, that was a great opportunity. I mean, me and Steve, we became friends doing stand up. And so when I actually had got an opportunity to do a TV show on my own, and then Steve had the opportunity to do the Steve Harvey show, and he asked me did I want to come on his show, and I thought that was great for me to just ride shotgun on my first time doing a TV show as opposed to like kind of going out on my own. So and it ended up being really a great run. We became great friends to this day. We still rock and roll, and so. It was just fun. We, of course, my girl, Levita Alizé Jenkins.
Yes.
And then Wendy Raquel, who played Piggy Grill, all of we all been great all these years. So that's been just really a special opportunity. And of course, the show just lasted and still hot. People still look at it all around the world to this day. So it show's like over 20 plus years old, so that's dope.
I have to ask you though.
Yeah.
The outfit, the costume. Well, I wouldn't call them costume because you guys actually wore those clothing items back in the day. How do you feel now with the fashion now?
As the high tops or the Kings of Comedy jacket with the long
yes.